Bags. There's a lot of different varieties, isn't there? Rucksacks, sling bags, man bags, bun bags, backpacks, pouches, and that is just for travel. This is Mr. TravelON's guide to the best luggage for your travels. Today we're talking tomtoc, and I have got a full range of tomtoc products to show you, but in this video we are talking about the T21 sling bag. Make sure to follow this channel for everything travel, because I'm not just going to stand here and show you these products. I'm going to take them traveling and show you them in use in real time. I've already shown you the Navigator backpacks at the airport, checking into flights, checking the size and making sure they fit on all of the planes. If you want to see that video, hang about, it'll be coming up after this one. For transparency, tomtoc has sent me their full range of different bags, including female ones, which Mrs. TravelON will be showing you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, where you'll not only get travel tips around the world, but I'll also show you how you get to places and the best luggage, gadgets, gizmos, and everything that you might need. But without further ado, let's get into the T21 sling bag by tomtoc.
Before I show you all the pockets, the zips, and all the places you can put your manly wares and take it to the airport, well, where can you buy it? TravelOnshop.com is where you go. Here, I'm going to put all the best luggage and travel essentials that you can find to suit all budgets. Once you click the T21, you'll be taken over to Amazon. There you can read all the techie specifications of the bags, all the sizes, all the colours, and decide which one suits you. By clicking the link on TravelOnshop.com, you will be supporting me, supporting this channel, and I'll be able to bring you more exciting products and exciting travel accessories. So head over to TravelOnshop.com and maybe you could get yourself a new man bag, a new suitcase, or something else.
If you're a follower of this channel, you'll know that I'm often wearing what I call a man bag, and I have searched far and wide to find the ideal man bag. Some call them slim bags, and trust me, I have tried every single one of them. And thankfully, with tomtoc, I think I've found the bag for my everyday. And it actually comes in 3 sizes. So when I have shown you the important parts of the T21, we are going to hit the airport and you are coming traveling with me. But let's get this show on the road. You've got a 3 litre, a 7 litre, and a whopping 10 litre sling bag. Your 3 litre would fit an iPad mini gaming console. The 7 litre will fit an 11-inch laptop, tablet, or iPad Pro. And the 10 litre will actually fit a 14-inch MacBook. The zips are really good quality and waterproof as well. The material is very, very durable, and each of these bags has little compartments so you can put all your essentials in. I'm going to show you in real time each of these bags so you can make a decision on which size suits you. But in all honesty, it really does depend on what you're doing. For me, the day-to-day bag would be the small one. The small one seems to fit everything that I need and is easily accessible. I'm going to show you exactly what I have got in here in a minute, because I'm using this on a day-to-day basis. But let me show you a closer look inside and show you all the compartments that these bags have. So all of the slim bags have a front zip compartment here. It's waterproof, and it also has a little place for your keys. So you can hook your keys on there. And imagine, if you will, you get home, you need your keys. Well, they're going to be attached right there. At the back of the bags is the security part, which sits right against your chest, or in my case, your belly. And that keeps all your valuables in, like your passports and things when you're traveling. Whilst we all enjoy traveling, sometimes you go to places where there's pickpocketers and things, and there's nothing worse than having your bag like this with zips open. So all your valuables, your money, anything that you need is kept here and is kept safe where nobody can get to it. Even if you were going to have it at the back rather than the front. For me, I prefer it on the front, and with the medium and large, you also get the extra padding here on the strap. Inside the main compartment, well, you have literally got everything that you can imagine. Small pockets to put little valuables in, zip pockets if you want to keep anything safe inside, and with the 7 litre medium, of course, you can keep an iPad or an iPad Pro in there. So you can get quite a lot in that. We live in a new world now, gentlemen, don't we, where there are such things as man bags. I don't know how we ever survived. Have you ever looked in a female's bag? They literally have everything. I know we don't need to carry as much, but these days with mobile phones, technology, headphones, wireless connectors, we have had to evolve into the man bag era, haven't we? And Mr. TravelON has been a man bag fan for a very long time. But this one is my new day-to-day. Today we are going on a Ryanair flight, and this is the one that I'm taking. In fact, I'm taking all of them to the airport, and I'm going to show you how, for me, this is my new day-to-day. But depending on how I'm traveling, I might change to the medium or the large. There really is a bag for every occasion with tomtoc, and I've been using this one for over a week now. One downside to the smaller one is that the strap doesn't have the padding, and it is a little bit shorter than the medium and the large. All the straps come with very, very durable connectors, and the longer ones go all the way down to your waist, while the small one only goes as high as this. But I think I can live with that. I'm not going to show you what I've got in here. I'm going to show you that when we get on the flight. So come on, let's head to the airport and let's check out the T21 sling bag. Could this be your next man bag? Let's go field test it, shall we?
Let's fast forward to the flight, where I'm going to show you just how much I can get in this little bag. Yes, literally everything I need, from headphones to cameras. Now, as you know, I go around vlogging, so I do need a bit of a bigger bag, but this one actually fits pretty much everything that I need. Obviously, you can see there I've got the tomtoc 14-inch iPad sleeve as well. If I wanted to use the bag that took the 14-inch, I could buy the 10-litre and literally fit everything I could possibly imagine in. But I like to have this smaller bag so I can sneak it into a Ryanair flight. You know the rules with Ryanair. If you're only allowed one bag, you're only allowed one. And if they catch you, well, with this small one, it's really easy to pop in your bag. But you can see just how much I am getting out here. The front, the middle, and the back as well. The back is where I keep all my passports, money, wallet. Yes, I do spend money now and again. I know I am the tightest man on the internet. I certainly wasn't buying anything on Ryanair. I was just showing you just how much you can store here. But everything from phones to cameras, this is a proper everyday use bag. Would a bigger bag have benefited me more on this flight? Well, yes, but I only had one piece of luggage, so I didn't want to risk having to put a big bag into another bag in order to get on. But it really does depend on how you're travelling and what your luggage allowance is. But it's quite surprising just how much you can get in this tiny little bag. Now let's go back in time to before the flight and back to the actual airport.
There's a tomtoc sling bag for every situation. It really does depend how you're travelling. This one is ideal if you've got other luggage, a case and a rucksack. I've already showed you how you can hide it sort of behind yourself like that, meaning you just get that little bit more luggage without having to put it in your bag in order to take it out again. The medium size is ideal because it does hold a little bit more. You might have iPads, iPad minis, phones, cameras, whatever you're trying to put in there. So this does hold quite a bit more. So it depends if you've got that extra luggage in your tomtoc rucksack that when you do get to boarding and they tell you to put it inside, well, you can fit it in. Then you've got the largest of the bags. And this will actually hold a 14-inch MacBook or laptop. It's actually huge, and what I like about this is it has a handle so you can actually carry it as a bag as well. The bigger you go, the more volume you get, obviously, to put things in, but they also come with longer straps and padded straps as well. My only downfall with the smaller version is that the strap could be the same size as the bigger ones, but I think this is going to be my everyday bag because it's small, compact, and it pretty much fits everything I need. I'd usually have a medium size like this, and to be honest, the space is wasted. I don't need that much on a day-to-day. But when I'm traveling with cameras, passports, documentation, other things that you need to hand, well, this one is ideal. And you could say that the bigger T21, the largest, is like a laptop case, sling bag, man bag, all in one. far too big for a day-to-day, depending on your lifestyle. If you work in an office or you work in a city and you're around and about and you need your laptop and things, well, this is an ideal bag. There is so much space in this bag, but it doesn't actually feel too big, if that makes sense. So which one are you going for? Small, medium, large, or every one of them? Because it really does depend on where you're going, what you're taking and what you need, and of course how much luggage that you've got. If you've got one of these and a backpack and you just need a sneaky bag to take on board, well, of course you're going to go for the small one. If you're traveling light, then this one is absolutely ideal for people on the go. City living, airport travel, trains, you name it. It pretty much does everything, and you can carry it as a bag or put it straight on as a sling, front or back. Or maybe you're going to meet in the middle and go for the medium, which is pretty much an all-rounder, whether you want it front, back. But for me, my everyday bag is certainly going to be the small version. And this is going to be my travel bag if I'm taking extra luggage or my allocation is just one backpack. You know what these airlines are like? They're very strict. And this is small enough to put in the bag if you get caught, and small enough to hide if you want to risk it. So that was the tomtoc T21 series. Decide your size, your style, go to TravelOnShop.com where you can get these on Amazon. Of course, if you click via my link, you will be supporting me, supporting the channel, and of course, help me find you the best travel luggage, travel gadgets, and travel essentials that you need. TravelOnShop.com is where you're going to find absolutely everything. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll be looking at some other luggage.